Good morning, student. Today we will continue our previous chapter number 1, our environment from geography. We have already studied about what is environment, what are the components of environment. Today we will study about ecosystem. What is ecosystem? It is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms, all living things with each other. In other words, it refers to a community of plants and animals within a particular physical environment, which is linked by a flow of materials to the non-living as well as the living section of the system. It means all plants, animals and human beings depends on their immediate surrounding. For example, some human beings depends on plants, some human beings depends on animals. Like that, animals depends on plants. They all are interdependent on each others also. This relation among the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surroundings form an ecosystem. What is the ecosystem? Ecosystem means living organism relation as well as relation between the organism and their surrounding form as ecosystem. Here we can easily understand for taking one example like Kerala with heavy rainfall, and that's why heavy rainfall there is green fields and coconut plantation, elephants and other animals. While in Rajasthan means just opposite atmosphere. In Rajasthan it doesn't rain, and that's why there is sand everywhere, and also it has camels, snake, lizard, etc. In this way, we find that the animals, the vegetation and the way people live vary from place to place, vary from state to state, country to country. These show that they are related to each other. We know well that plants and animals depend on each other. All of you know that the plants and animal depends on each other. Animal depends on plants for their food, and like that plants provide oxygen to animals to breathe in. These keep the environment clean and provide shelter to humans. On the other hand, animals provides carbon dioxide which plants use for making their food. You have already learned in science that when plants making their foods needs which gases? Carbon dioxide. Similarly, dead and decaying animals provides nutrient for plants to grow. Here is some features, some points of ecosystem. First point is hue. Do you know what is? You have to know that the 5th June is considered as the World Environment Day. It is the day that stimulates awareness of environment and enhance political attention and public action to it. It means on 5th June is celebrated all over the world Environment Day. And that day we all are aware, enhance what is the usefulness of environment that particular that day. The first World Environment Day was celebrated on 5th June 1973. It is celebrated every year with a different theme. Okay. And next class, we will study about man-made or human environment. Okay. Thank you.